Hello, Can Do Guy here. I have a couple of more new knives I just got in today. Let's do a review. Take a look at them. Okay, we'll go with the shorter one first in the small box. Take a look at it. Came in a nice little box here and a nylon sheath. Just as like all the other ones, with a nice belt loop. This one is called a Milano. It's an 8-inch. It's called a lever lock swing guard, and it's an automatic. It's a lever lock and a swing guard together, which the lever lock is this piece here. The swing guard is this piece here. This happens to be a black swirl handle. We'll take a look here. It has brass pins with stainless bolsters. You pull this back and it opens up. Nice swing action. This happens to be the dagger style blade with a polished finish and a NBPS. These are also made in China. As others have said, this is a little loose, but I can deal with that. To close it, you flip this back again, back where it was at, push down, and bring it in. Flip it back. You can just go like this. Comes out pretty nice. Has a nice click to it when it goes back. The price on this was $22.95 plus tax. It was on sale from Perry Knife Works. Okay, let's take a look at the other one. Same as a nice other box. Also, it has a nylon sheath. Let's go back this way with it. Belt loop. This one is also called a Milano, but it's 11-inch. It also is a lever lock swing guard automatic, just like the other one. The handle is a Pearl-X finish. It also has brass pins in the handle. The bolsters are stainless. We'll take a look at this one. This is a flat grind, a drop point blade with a satin finish and the NBPS. 13-inch, or 11-inch, excuse me, 11-inch. It also releases the same way. The cost on this was $23.95 plus shipping on sale. So the total cost with both these knives, the 8-inch and the 11-inch, was $51.89 total, including shipping. They came from Perry Knife Works. They're Chinese made, but as I stated before, I believe Chinese are starting to step up on their knives. Give me a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.